So, hi, dear Gemini. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a Journal Osho Zen Tarot card messages from 19th till the 25th of August. It's like one message for one day. You can take it as messages or guidance or warnings or simple spiritual messages like how your spiritual journey is going right now. And yeah, good to go. So these are 7 messages for 7 days. You can take one message per day, or you can just check out for the whole week and let me know after the 1 week like how it went. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self-healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings, you can check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Gemini. These are the 7 messages for 7 days for Gemini for the upcoming week from 19th till the 25th of August. Let's see. For the 19th, we have the Thunderbolt. Okay. It's got some kind of epiphany, some kind of awakening, some kind of something is going to fall apart. It could be a belief system, it could be a connection, it could be a situation, it could be something that's not serving you anymore. But this is something that is kind of gone. This situation served its purpose already in your life, and you should just let it go by sitting comfortably, by being in silent mode, and let it pass. Let it pass like a movie. Watch it like a movie and let it pass. Okay, so something will shake you up, or something will make you feel like, oh my god, this is something that I want to handle but I'm not able to handle it. Let it fall apart, because this is the something that's not serving you anymore. It's anyway going to fall apart, so it's like, let it go. On the 20th of August, we have the clinging to the past. You are going to be thinking so much about the past, or you will be in this energy of, I can't let go of something or someone out of my life, out of my system. I will never be able to forgive this person, or I will never be able to forget this experience. So clinging to the past is not going to help you in any way, shape, or form, Gemini. It's better to let go of the past and not to think too much about it. So whenever you find yourself thinking about the past, try to come back to the present moment. If you can't do anything, just start chanting, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, or start focusing on your breath as much as you can. That is going to help you a lot in coming back to the present moment. Practice it as much as you can. Okay, so 21st of August, we have the maturity. On the 21st of August, you are going to have this energy of, okay, fine, okay, whatever is happening, I can't change it, I can't do anything about it. So your wisdom, your experience, your knowledge is going to help you to go through a situation with maturity, with understanding, with this knowing that you can't change or control, or you can't change things, people, or situation. You can't control anything. So it's like, let it be, whatever, like, let it be. Okay, you are going to take people, things, and situation for what they are, and you're going to be mature enough and good enough to let this pass, or let it go, or let it be for what it is, accepting things and people and situation for what it is. Okay, on the 21st of August. 22nd of August, we have the possibilities. Okay, on the 22nd of August, you might feel yourself in this position like, oh my god, I'm not able to see good possibilities or good chances of success, or I'm not able to understand what should I do or what should I not do. But in the middle of all this chaos, you will be able to find some kind of solutions or some kind of possibilities, even if right now things are making you feel like, okay, everything is blurry, everything is cloudy, everything is muddy. You will be able to find some kind of solution to the problems that you're facing in your current situation. Whatever the situation is, there are possibilities, there is still hope that everything is going to be fine. You will definitely be able to find the solution when you are going to be in a peaceful and calm mind, when you're going to be focusing more on the solution than the problem. Okay, 23rd of August, we have the ordinariness. Okay, try to find happiness in ordinary things. Just try to do ordinary, simple things like cleaning the house, or cleaning the closet, or going out and pluck, like smelling the flowers. You don't have to do something extraordinary in order to feel special, or in order to feel like, okay, let me do something extra, or let me do something like that to feel special or to feel aligned with the universe or something like that. No, You can find peace and happiness in ordinary things as well. Okay, all you have to do is just do it with all of your heart and soul, and you are going to be amazed. Like, okay, you can find happiness in simple things as well. All you have to do is to enjoy those things. Okay, enjoy whatever you do, and you are going to feel happy in ordinary thing as well, or day-to-day ordinariness as well. That's really cool. Okay, now on the 24th of August, we have the creativity. Use your creativity, use your feminine side, or use your softer side as much as you can, a Gemini. That is going to help you a lot in creating something beautiful in whether it's your love or career, love or relationship area, whether it's your career area, whether it's your health area, whatever it is that is kind of making you feel stuck right now at this present moment. Using your softer side, using your creative side, using your feminine side is going to help you a lot in understanding how to deal with that situation or problem, and how to come out of that, and how to get out, and how to find a solution to that. So the more you are going to use your creative or feminine side, the more you will be able to get like a solution to a problem that you are facing, and the day is going to get more smoother for you, more beautiful for you. 25th of August, we have the source. You're going to connect with the source in some way, shape, or form. Connecting with the source is going to be different for different people. For some of us, connecting with the source meaning just closing our eyes and connecting to the divine. You can say third eye, divine, or angels, or whatever you want to. For some of you, it's like going inside of you and understanding that there is some kind of energy inside of you that is guiding you. It's like some kind of guiding force is going to uh, make you realize your inner power, inner strength, and you are going to be in this energy of, okay, this is something that I want to work on. So you are going to find the source of a situation. You're going to find yourself in this position of, okay, this is the source of inspiration, or this is the source of creativity, or this is the universal force that's guiding me. So you are going to find yourself in the position of connecting with the source and being divinely guided in a particular direction. Okay, you are going to be connecting with the source. That's really cool. So this is what I have for you for this week. Let me know in the comment section after a week or so, and we will know what's happening. Okay, let's keep this going. So yeah, let's move on to Cancer. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.